In just 24 hours, the first payment arrives in every account across the country. It is not a loan, a reward, or a form of charity given to a select few. There are no applications, no interviews, and no conditions attached to receiving it. Every individual is guaranteed a stable monthly income simply for existing. For the first time in history, survival is no longer uncertain. The fear of missing rent or affording basic food slowly begins to disappear. People no longer wake up with constant anxiety about financial collapse. Work stops being a desperate requirement and becomes a deliberate choice. Families begin planning their lives beyond the next paycheck. Stability replaces the chaos of constant economic pressure. Some people finally leave jobs that damage their health for years. Others take creative risks they could never previously afford to consider. Artists create without fear of starvation or homelessness. Students learn without the crushing weight of lifelong debt. Innovation grows in the absence of desperation. Crime rates begin to decline as financial stress weakens its grip. Mental health improves as survival anxiety slowly fades away. Communities grow stronger as people regain time and energy. Life feels slower, but also more intentional and meaningful. Yet the system introduces new challenges. A serious question begins to dominate public conversation. If survival is guaranteed, who will perform the hardest labor? Essential work still needs to be done every single day. Wages increase to attract workers into difficult industries. The value of labor is redefined rather than eliminated. Inflation becomes a growing concern for governments and economists. Prices adjust as markets respond to universal income. Corporations seek new ways to maintain influence and control. Economic inequality does not vanish, but begins to change shape. Power still concentrates, even when money is shared. Universal basic income proves to be more than an economic experiment. It becomes a test of human purpose without fear. Freedom arrives, but it demands responsibility and direction. The system does not answer every question about society. It only asks whether humanity is ready for real freedom.